How to archive a board on Trello. So let's get started. First step, click on boards, then choose the board. I'm gonna use this one. And here, if you click on these three dots, scroll all the way down and you will see close board. That means archive. Click on it. You can also reopen. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So now we're gonna close it. Here we go. And when you go back on your home page or boards page, if you scroll all the way down, you can see view all closed boards. Just simply click on it. And you can also unarchive, like reopen the board, like this. And this is how can you do it. This is how can you archive and unarchive boards. I'm gonna show you one more time real quick. So when you open your board, there is a menu here. If you click on these three dots, menu, all the way down, you can close board. That means archive, close. And when you wanna unarchive or reopen the board, go all the way down here, view all closed boards, like this, reopen. It will take like a few seconds. And now we can use this board again. And this is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button or leave a comment. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. And see you later.